Hello everyone, good morning. Today, taco cravings tayo. So, let's cook taco. This is very easy. If you have, you should just buy one ground pork or ground or chicken and then saute it. We usually don't use a lot of oil into this thing because the meat is having oil. So, you just cook it with the meat, the ground pork, and then just buy this ready mix, taco mix, and just put it there and let it simmer the meat to be cooked and add a little bit of sugar if you want because sometimes the taco mix has a little bit of oud smell, so I don't want that. So I put the taste and then so I put sugar a little bit. So that's it. Yeah, mekas-mekas nyo lang yun para ma-dry yung meat. And then when the meat is already dry and cooked, ready. So, ayan, ready na yung meat natin para sa taco. Ganyan lang siya kadali. And then, ito naman, kung ano lang nandyan sa fridge nyo. Cucumber, tomato, Chinese pichay, paprika. Gusto kasi ng asawa ko yung maliliit na hiwa, kaya ganyan yung ano ko. Tapos, ayan, with a twist, naglagay ko ng mango. Masarap siya ilagay. So, ayan yung Chinese pichay. Hiwain nyo lang siya ng maliliit. And then, don't forget to put some onions kasi mas masarap yung taco pag may onions. Some people, they wanted to put chilies. Yan. So, yan na yung mix, natin, vegetables natin na ilalagay sa taco. And then, ready na tayo. So, mag-wrap na tayo. Bumili lang kami ng ready. Yan, may cheese din pala. Bumili lang kami ng wrap bread. Para siyang ano ba tawag niyan? Taco bread. Ganyan, taco bread lang siya. And then, i-assemble nyo lang siya dyan with the meat and the vegetable and everything. Plus, lagyan nyo siya ng additional ng, ayan, mayonnaise and ketchup. And then, wrap it up and then you're ready. So, have a lunch.